Hello, Kimara Hashiv is Misha Joseph and an Alaba. Falcha gu pashlich ha podcast akum. How agiri Gaelic. Kimara Hashiv and Jew hami gleva ach hai fur ach fluch. Gle uur, gle uur. Koos a hau. Hami anam pashlich and an Alaba. Hagudurf, Alaba, Pashlich. Kachavilu Adol and Jew. Hami Adol ak Oper. Avili Snog. Ha. Avil Shifse. Adol ak Oper. Avil Shif. Hami ag Oper Anantai. Hami ag Oper Anantai. Avil Oper Snog Anantai. Avil Oper Snog Anantai. Hi Snog. Ach, ha gle uur. Jinisha Hashiv. Hami kugit. Hami posta ach avi. Hashinanam pashlich. Kursmaha. Avel chowlach akav. Oh, it's difficult, huh? Chanyeumi adolamach. I don't want to go out. Chanyeumi adolamach. Right, that's the most of the Gaelic that we've done so far. Okay, so we're up to 2 minutes almost and 30 seconds. Okay, so I think in total the Gaelic we just went through there was 2 minutes and 10 seconds, right? So you can see we're making good progress. We started off with nothing and now we're up to over 2 minutes of Gaelic in our conversation. Okay, so I want you to go back and re-listen to this Gaelic that we've just listened to there, and you should be understanding all of it. If you don't understand all of it, please stop, go back and review our previous lessons, especially from lesson 10 onwards, because that's a recap from lesson 10. Okay, so again, we've just listened to over 2 minutes of Gaelic. That's the most we've done so far, so you should have enough there in those 2 minutes to confidently speak, to get a good conversation off the ground. So if you're able to understand everything there, well done. That's your first 2 minutes of Gaelic, and you really should give yourself a big pat in the back for that, because I know it's been a long and difficult journey for you to pick up the basics. So I'm not going to say any more. I'm just going to say, go back, please listen again to this 2 minutes of Gaelic, and I'll be making more podcasts with more grammar and more things in the coming days. I just want you to know that Gaelic is difficult for everyone, okay? So it's not about you and languages. Gaelic is a very hard thing, all right? This podcast is designed to help people who find Gaelic very difficult, okay? So that's fine. If you're looking for a faster route, go to YouTube and find Gaelic with Jason. He's a young American guy who's bouncing through Gaelic and words in all of his YouTube clips. But I prefer to take it slow, and I know that if you're listening to this regularly, then you do as well. All right, so thank you so much for your continued support and listening to this podcast regularly. Thank you. And if you want to contact me, my email is in the last podcast's show notes. So you can find that in the YouTube information in the comments box or the information box. But right now, I just want to say well done. 2 minutes of Gaelic, and if you can understand everything, you're off to a very good start. Okay, so that's all from me for now, and I'll catch up with you again in the coming days. Chidi and Drasta.